Hello and welcome to Devotion to Writing, the channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice. So, why is it important to cultivate a daily practice? What exactly does devotion accomplish? These are questions I get asked, and so I thought I would try to answer them, give you a few things that I think our commitment does for us. So first, our devotion helps us to listen to what is in us. We have a desire to write or to paint or to dance, sing, design clothes. And this isn't just a mere wish that we have. It's something in us. It's something of us, something willing us to write and paint and sing. It's giving us direction from inside. It's giving us direction for what we need to express. This is something deep that we need to express. If we ignore this voice, this truth, this messaging, I think we're ignoring really a part of our soul, a part of who we are, a very holy, sacred part of us. It's our knowing, it's our wisdom. It's saying how we might move through the world, creating. So by not writing or dancing or singing or painting or designing clothes, we're dishonoring what we know. We must therefore intentionally shut down this wisdom, and this is undermining us. It undermines our entire self. Why would any of us choose to do this? I don't know, but we do. Because creating is scary. We encounter all kinds of fears and doubts about ourselves. And so that's one thing. But that's a whole nother discussion. That's for another day. We could get into that. The second thing that I think devotion really helps us with is this communing with ourselves. In addition to that listening, on a practical level, it helps us organize our thoughts, this kind of jumble of ideas and emotions that is coursing through us. It helps us organize this into something cohesive. Writing slows down this swirl of mental activity and helps us to order things and stand them up in front of us so that we can ask, is this true? Is this true for me? So that's one thing on a practical level. On a healing level, it's been proven that writing alleviates stress and anxiety. Bringing language, a set of words, a series of sounds to what is happening to us and to what has happened to us makes it concrete. And we start to tell a story. We start to be able to shape a story of what's happened and what is happening. And this orders the chaos. And this ordering lowers the overwhelm and gives us some control over, or at least a semblance of control over what we might be experiencing. And the third thing is from a creative standpoint. We improve daily by doing. So I hate to use a qualifier like improve or getting better, but it is true that when we practice something, we get better at it. Anything we practice doing, we get better at by doing. So writing teaches us how to write. From the grammar to sentence construction to how we tell a story or how a poem is made to, what works best for us creatively. What do we need? How do we access our imagination? How do we find inspiration? All of these things are improved by the daily doing. We get to know ourselves, our voice, our style, and we get to learn intimately about what it is we are trying to create. Right? Creation takes time. Our creations take time. They need us. Our devotion needs us. We need to build an intimate relationship with the tender and raw thing that we're trying to bring to life. Well, for it to live, we have to give it a part of our lives. And this really takes the daily doing. It takes our daily attention. So no matter how long you've been writing, there's always going to be more to learn. There's always something that you're working out working on. You know, we could describe a scene 1,000 times, or paint a face, or dance how it feels to I don't know, how home feels, for example. And there are going to be 1,000 more ways to describe this, or paint this, or dance this, to describe that scene, paint that face, and dance that feeling. There's always going to be more left unsaid, more to reveal, so we never get to the end. And finally, and understand that, you know, this isn't an exhaustive list of the benefits of a devoted practice. This is just a few of the things that I felt close to today. But this last thing is that creativity is a flow. It's an energy. And life is always expressing through us. When we attend to this energy, the tap is turned on. And when we don't attend to it, the tap is off. And the more we come, and the more frequently we come to write or dance or sing or make the clothes, the more energy flows to us, and the more we're in tune to this energy that is flowing through us. Use your creativity and you'll create beautiful things. Devote yourself to the exercise, the practice of creating daily, and you will create beautiful things daily. So here's a little prompt I thought would go with this idea of what I'm talking about today, and that is, what would you create if you knew you would not fail? What would you create if you knew you would not fail? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it will be of some use to you in your creative practice, whatever that might be. Please subscribe. If you like this video, please share it. If you have a friend you think might enjoy it, please share it with them. And if you'd like more information on the workshops, retreats that I lead, you can visit devotiontowriting.com. You could also follow Devotion to Writing on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks again, and I hope you write deeply today. I hope you create deeply today. And I know that you'll create beautifully. Thank you, and blessings.